Hello, familia. Welcome. My name is MagdalineJanet. If you're new, welcome to the fam. Please don't forget to like and subscribe because we're always here having a good time. And come visit me on TikTok and Instagram because I'm there daily. And of course, welcome back to my oldies but goodies. You guys, my bun just came undone. Y'all, I did not know this. I mean, I did, but I didn't. But I'm gonna say I didn't because someone slid in my DM and was like, "Hey, Magdalene, are you getting Huda Beauty's new powder?" I'm like, there's a new powder? I'm like, tell me more. So she told me, shout out to you. I won't put the DM here just because privacy reasons, but thank you, girl. You guys know we love setting powders here. Why? Why is setting powder so important? Because it can make or break your makeup. It can make you look smooth, snatched, make it last all day, or look completely janky, sloppy, a mess. Yeah, basically. So that's why it's important. So I am excited because the shade Peach Pie is a peach shade. I have never tried a peach shade powder. I've tried yellow, I've tried translucent, I've tried pink. Those are like the main ones that are out there for us. Have you tried a peach powder? Every time I feel like I haven't tried it and I don't think there is one of you guys is like, yes, so-and-so brand has it. So let me know because you guys be knowing all the tea. I feel like the closest to peach is this Laura Mercier one, but it's like a light, it's like a pink peach. I have here the pink Huda Beauty powder that went completely viral. So I'm gonna put them up against one another so you can see like the difference. So let's open this bad boy up. Let's see. Ooh. Let me see. Let me look at it myself. Oh yeah, it's peach. Okay, so let's open it up. I don't recall, did Huda Beauty powders have this thing? No, it didn't. Okay. Oh, does it have a plastic? Did I get an opened one? Or is it like this? Are they new like this? I don't know. Okay, it smells. The fragrance. You know, this is how it looks, but you can't really see here. Let me put it up against my other three powders. So exciting. The moment of truth. Just kidding. So this is Huda Beauty. You see that peach shade? Laura Mercier. Remember I said it's like a peach pink, and then Huda's pink powder is right here. So these look very similar. The thing about Laura's though, it's never available. So it's good we got an option. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. Before we get started, let me tell you what I have on my skin so we can get the setting process going. I started off with priming my skin with the Cali Ray primer. I really like this primer. You have to let it dry down a little bit though. That's what I did. I let it dry for like 3 to 4 minutes. Then I went in with my foundation Cocktail, which is the Haus Labs in the shade 330, and the Gucci, the shade 305. Haus Labs is very hydrating. This Gucci one is a matte, and the Gucci one's too light, so I feel like it's a perfect combo right now. I mixed both of those together to get a beautiful shade of matte, very luminous finish, which is what I wanted. And I blended out with the Sephora 88 brush. Really blend that sucker out so everything is nice and even. Then I went in with the Rare Beauty bronzer stick in the shade Always Sunny. I added all over the perimeter of my face so we get a little bit of color. Then I went in with the e.l.f. liquid blushes in the shade Coral Crush because I want a coral blush today. And then I added the Hourglass concealer in the shade Sienna all over the center of my face just so we can get a little bit of highlight going. I'm using all the makeup I know works well and I love because we're trying a new product out. Here we are ready to go. My concealer's creasing just because it's been on and chilling here for a little bit. So you always want to just blend everything out. Make sure everything is nice and blended before you set in. Oh my god, before I forget, let me give you info about this and then for real, let's start. You guys, Huda Beauty released a new shade of the Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. It is called Peach Pie. It retails for $38. The powders now come in 10 shades. It is for medium to tan with warm undertones. This is a highly pigmented silky setting powder that bakes and sets, blurs the looks of fine lines, and locks in makeup for 10 hours. Highlighted ingredients is vitamin E that moisturizes and strengthens the skin barrier for smooth application. Rich starch powder that absorbs excess oil. Micronized powder allows you to layer without caking. Available at Sephora. You guys, I got this Makeup Forever powder puff. I can't find it anywhere, but I use the Amazon one, so I'll link those down for you. But this one's so cool because it's so long, so we'll use this one today. Guys, I'm so hyped today. I have so much to do and I'm just kind of pushing everything to the side right now. Okay, let's start because filming is what's important at this second. of the day. Let's get some of the powder. We know this powder is good. It's gone viral multiple times because it just really sets the face very well. You guys know I love Huda Beauty makeup. Huda Beauty does great makeup. I'll always be honest, but for the most part, like, you're gonna get a full beat with makeup. I mean, with Huda. Like I told you guys last time, someone brought it up recently when I was like, Huda was the type of student that was like the overachiever in class, and legit she was, because this makeup is bomb. Okay, we're gonna add it and then really just even it out so it looks like this. Freaking creasing. So I always start in the front, I mean my under eyes, work my way down here and then go here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna grab, set it down. Ooh, dang. Okay. What? Hold on. I want to bake too. We're gonna get in here. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh wow. It's like melting into the skin. White cast where? Where? You know, even when powders don't have white cast, sometimes it just kind of looks a little white at the beginning and then you have to kind of just blend it in, then it goes away. Here we're not getting that. We're getting like kind of foundation powder look. Oh my word. Okay, let's finish up here and I'm excited to show you and turn off the lights. Look at this before and after, even from far away. You see the smoothness here? And you see, this is what powder does. You can add as much or as little as you want because I know I'm going to wear my makeup all day long. And I have oily skin, girl. I packed this thing on because look. Ooh, look at this before and after. You see how smooth my lids are? My under eyes and the skin. Those are the 3 areas that powder has to set your face well. Else, it's not a good powder, you know? Sometimes powders are great for like the face and then the eye area be looking all crazy, you know? So, okay, let's do this side. I know, I can't even speak. I mean, I had a feeling this was gonna be good, but not this good. I don't know why, but girl, okay, we're gonna go here, reset, I mean, not set, what am I saying? I'm telling you, you guys, so today I was like, I put my alarm clock for like 6:30. I'm like, Magdalene, you're about to conquer this day. Girl, tell me why I snoozed that thing till like 7:15. I'm like, damn it. But luckily I got up at 7:15. My nose is like straight running. Why does it always have to happen when, you know, I'm setting my face? But anyway, what was I saying? I wasn't expecting this to be this good. I mean, is that what I was saying? My nose running has me all discombobulated now. This is looking mighty fine, mighty fine. Yeah, this is nice. Look how it just matches my skin. It didn't lighten up. It didn't darken my under eye areas. Powders can do that too. So that's another thing where you want to get a good color. I love a highlighted under eye, but I wanted to see how well this was going to set. And girl, one more time. Look, up. It's good. Okay, so it is currently 10 p.m. I mean a.m. I'm gonna finish up my face. I'm gonna do a 12-hour wear test because I'm gonna be out and about. I'm gonna be in these streets today, and I don't think I'm gonna be home till like 10 or 11. Hopefully, that's my curfew I'm putting on myself. So I'll be back, and yeah, I'm excited. We're gonna do a flash test too. Okay, skin is looking so good. This side of my cheek is not as cooperative. Then this side is looking nice. Anyway, let's do a flash test because it's important. If you don't know what a flash test is, it's essentially when we take a picture with flash. Sometimes that flash will create this white cast, and a lot of times what creates it is the powder. Oh my god, I didn't use setting spray. So yeah, the powder will create this like cast. What I like to do is, well, now that I put some damn setting spray on, we're just gonna tap this down. You know what? That's probably why my bronzer looks funky, because I usually like just go over it, over powder, I mean the spray, along with my blush. This side's still funky. We're just gonna leave that. Yeah, with the flash, you want to make sure we don't have that white cast. So let's see. Let's see. No flash. You see how my skin, my face literally matches my neck and my shoulders? That's always the goal. You don't want to get that like white cast on your skin. Let's get close. Let's get close. Skin's looking good. You see how smooth everything is? Eyelids, face, nose, under eyes. Let's look. Look how smooth it looks. Except for my bronzer. We're gonna disregard that. But this is my lip combo. LA Girl Chocolate. Anywhere Caffeine Makeup Forever. I filled it in the middle. And then Soft Blush Buxom. Here we are. Let's go in front of the window to see how the skin looks because it's looking so good. Skin. Ooh, you see the color. That's what it is. This color is amazing. Look at these under eyes. Why does it look like I have highlight on? I think that's warmth already. Oh my, look. Let's look at under eyes. You see? Lids, skin, and most of all, color. Wow. Look, it matches. And look, the under eyes didn't darken up. That's always a telltale sign too. Like the color has to be very specific, you know? Love it. Let's see how it wears. Ilya, I'm back. What, does the lighting look funky to you? Is it me? Okay, hi. Lipstick's all smeared, but it's okay. It's 10 o'clock. Skin is looking like skin. But you know, I got some footage for you at around, I think 4 o'clock to show you. And I was looking a little oily, you know, a little radiant, but I do have oily skin. It was looking good though. Like, I looked very well put together at this point, but we know Huda Beauty is that girl. 12 hours later, my throat's hurting. Girl, let me just show you how good this powder is. Ooh. Wait, everything still looks well put together for 12 hours. Look at my under eyes. I feel like my under eyes could look a little smoother. That's my only complaint. Lids look good. There's a little texture there too. I think the eye area is not looking the best. But look, let me look. Damn, look, like you don't see any of my pores. Look how smooth it is. Ooh, and this color, the color, we know that the powder is good, but the color is amazing. This is truly my favorite shade. I think it is great because it's not warm and it's not too cool. Like the pink is pink. The, what is it, pound cake? I think pound cake's very, very warm. This is like a perfect neutral undertone. You guys saw how it literally melted into my skin. I'm so sorry, my throat is hurting because I've been out in these streets. I need to sit my ass down, but you know, a girl's busy. So it just melted in. I think this color is truly beautiful for anyone that has medium, tan, and even deep skin because it just melts in so freaking nicely. I cannot believe how beautiful it was, like meant to be. It kind of looked and melted in like a foundation powder, you know? So this is a yes. I love it so much. My new favorite go-to shade. Let me know what you think. We definitely don't look gastada. We look well put together, okay, for 12 hours later. Thank you guys all who asked me to review this. I am so happy to do this, and I'm so happy we don't look gastadas because if we did, dang. Please let me know your thoughts. Are you planning on picking it up? I will link it and tag it down below so you can check it out for yourself because you need this. If you're in the hunt for a new powder, this is for you. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the button right there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, fam. Love you.